Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious vanilla bundt cake. It's so good, moist, and has a delicious crisp edge. So today, also I wanted to tell you guys some news. We're almost at 300 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for all of your support. I'm so excited. And to celebrate 300 subscribers, I wanted to do a Q&A. So if you guys could leave down below some questions you want to ask me, anything, just let me know and I'll be answering it in my next video. So in my bowl so far, I'm adding my flour, baking powder, nutmeg, sugar, and a pinch of salt. All the ingredients will be in the link in the description. I have some melted butter in a jug, and this is going to be our wet ingredients. So you're going to add in your milk. Once you have added your milk, you're going to add in your eggs. And a splash of good vanilla. Then give everything a very good mix till combined. Now this is the easiest part, just incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Just mix everything together. It should look like this, nice and smooth. Now you're gonna butter your bundt pan. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. And now you're just gonna butter your pan. The reason you're buttering your pan is because you don't want your cake to stick to the pan at all. So just make sure you butter it very well, and then you're gonna add in a bit of flour. All the crevices should be covered in butter. Make sure it's all well covered because you do not want this to stick. Guys, trust me, I've struggled with this so much. So you're gonna add in some flour, and then you're just gonna use your pastry brush again and just make sure that's well incorporated with the butter. Make sure it's spread everywhere. Once done, it should look like this, a bit patchy, but that's how it's supposed to be. Then you're gonna pour in your batter. Once you've poured your batter into your pan, bake into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. After 30 to 35 minutes, my cake looked like this. Yes, there's a few cracks. That's how my cake turned out. However, some of you guys might have turned perfect, and congrats to you. Once you put a toothpick in, it should come out nice and clean. No crumbs. It's okay if there's a few crumbs, as long as there's no batter, it's perfect. I let mine cool on a wire rack for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and I dusted mine with powdered sugar. So this is how it turned out, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to leave me down some Q&A questions. And yes, thank you guys so much. We're almost at 300, and I'll see you guys soon.